Sarah. I'm the origami instructor, and I'm going to show you how to make an origami samurai helmet and an origami rose. You start by taking a square piece of paper and connecting the two corners so that you get a triangle. You're going to unfold it and connect the other two corners. And that way when you unfold it all the way, you'll get this cross in the middle. You're going to refold it back up on one of the sides. Take the two sides you have and line them up on that line you made when you creased it. Then you take the bottom of the sides you folded and bring them back up. Then you take the top of those sides and you fold them at a sideways diagonal thing so that you get these spikes. You have these two flaps down here at the bottom. So you're going to take one of those flaps and fold it so that it covers up the spikes where they came from. And leave some room here because you're going to take it and fold it back up like that. And then you take this and you made the brim of the hat by folding it behind. There you go, origami samurai hat. Next, the rose. You start the same way by doing a triangle on both ends. Then you want to unfold it and connect the sides so you fold it into a rectangle like how you would a card. And you're going to do that for both sides. You unfold it, and you have these crease lines going all the way. You just want to push them so that you get this. Then you take the sides and you fold them to your crease line again. Like that. And then you'll fold them back down. Then you unfold them and they've got this like little pocket here that you're just going to flatten out. Then you flip it over and you do it on the other side. Bring them up to the crease line, back down, get in the pockets, you take this bottom triangle part and you fold it up just once. There'll be a pocket right in here. So you want to get in this pocket and flatten this back out so that you have this. You flip that over and fold this triangle part right here up so that it will stand. You take one corner and you just fold it over itself, and you'll do that with the one on the diagonal. You take the whole structure and you twist it and curl it, and it can get really good and crumpled. Then you just play with the petals to adjust them so that it looks better. And you can fold them behind themselves to make it look a little rounder. And there you go, an origami rose. That was our origami class for today. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon, and stay safe out there.